Hello everyone. Today we will see production possibility curve. Okay. So first we will see in this two types of production within the given same capital and labor. Okay. So let's start the video. The production possibility curve in the short we call PPC. PPC, production possibility curve. A PPC shows all the combinations of two goods which can be provided if all resources are being used efficiently. Okay, in this is the definition of PPC. This is the definition of PPC. In this, the most important thing is all the combinations of two goods. It means we have to make combinations of goods that we are producing. For example, as if we are producing goods A and second goods B, and this we have to show the combination in the economy. Okay, if we are getting combination A or the combination first, if we are applying less money on the production of goods A, okay, we are applying less money or the less capital, then we have to apply high money or capital on the production of goods B. If we will apply less money, the production will be less. And in the another goods, if we will apply more money, then production will be high. So this is the concept of the production possibility curve. We have to produce two goods at a time. Within the given capital and labor. Now we will see some examples of this. This is the production possibility curve. Now in this graph you can see some health structure of the country is given. Some health structure, healthcare services. Okay, in this KCA and KC. Okay, so this KC represents for the kidney care. Okay, and this the HC, other services. This is represent for the other services. Now, if we are looking at the economy of the whole country, okay, then we have to look whatever the service it is given by the hospital sector. So you can understand by seeing this HCA and this KCA. This PPC is showing the combination of kidney cancer treatment and other health care services. It means if now we will go to this side, okay, if we will take this side, in the economy, we will focus only on the other service, so kidney service will be zero. As we know in the this graph, this is zero and this will go to increase and this will also increase. This side increase and this side increase. So if we will not only care about the health care or the other services, then only we have to produce the healthcare service, but kidney service will be zero. Our kidney service will zero. So in the economy we have to see that we have the combination of the healthcare also and the kidney services also. That it means we have to produce two type of goods because we are on the need of the two and more than two goods needs. So we have to produce this type of goods. Now see the next. This one is the resources. These resources that we are talking about the previous thing. In this, you can assume this was the, we are inputting the resources. We are talking about the first about the resources. Now we will see on this. This is HC1 and this is KC0, KC1. Okay. Now, if we will increase the amount of kidney functions, now you can see the investment on the kidney functions and kidney care, then it will increase in the economy. And if we will increase the investment on the healthcare, other healthcare service, then it will also increase. Okay, so that thing, if we will increase this one, okay, you can see that if we will only increase this one, kidney care, then healthcare will be down. Healthcare service will be down. If we will increase only the healthcare, then kidney service will down. So this is there is an inverse relation between this. Okay, so this is called the opportunity cost and the production possibility curve. Now the next thing, the same graph we are showing on the this one capital goods and in this possibility. Okay, so this is our capital goods. Okay, and this is the consumer goods. Okay, it relocates its resource moving around the PPF. Okay, the total goods and the function removes and move around this one, the production possibility curve. Okay, in this we are showing the total resources of our country and what the resource we are applying on it. Simply this one, if we will apply total money on the consumer goods, capital goods could not produce. Okay, this one. If we will apply all the money on the capital goods in this, okay, so also the consumer goods cannot produce. But in the economy, okay, it is very necessary to produce the consumer goods also and capital goods also. So we will divide it. We will take any graph and we will calculate how much amount we have to invest in capital goods and in this the consumer goods. So this the ratio is shows the production possibility curve. Thank you and have a nice day.